Life is a journey marked by the rhythm of our breath, a rhythm that begins with our first inhalation and concludes with our final exhalation. This simple act of breathing is often taken for granted, yet it holds profound significance in our daily lives and our spiritual journeys. Today, we will explore the depth and breadth of this vital process, uncovering its role not just as a physical necessity, but as a spiritual bridge connecting us to a higher state of consciousness. From the moment we enter this world, our breath becomes our constant companion. It sustains us, providing the oxygen our bodies need to function and grow. But breathing is much more than a mere physiological process. It is a life force that connects us to the universe, a thread that ties our physical existence to our spiritual essence. In various cultures and spiritual traditions, breath is revered as a powerful element, often associated with the soul or the spirit. Consider the ancient practice of pranayama in yoga, where breath control is used to harness and direct prana, the vital life energy. Or the concept of qi in traditional Chinese medicine, which refers to the breath as a vital energy that flows through the body, promoting health and vitality. These practices underscore the universal recognition of breath as a fundamental force, transcending mere survival and touching upon the essence of life itself. The importance of breathing can be likened to the foundational needs in Maslow's hierarchy. At the base of this hierarchy lie our most essential needs, such as air, food, and water. Just as these needs must be met before higher aspirations like love and self-actualization can be pursued, so must our need for breath be fulfilled. Breathing underpins all other aspects of existence. Without it, we cannot survive, let alone thrive. Yet, how often do we truly consider the quality and depth of our breathing? Most of us breathe unconsciously, unaware of the profound impact that proper breathing can have on our physical and emotional well-being. Conscious breathing is a simple yet powerful practice that can enhance mental clarity, reduce stress, and promote overall health. As we set forth on this journey, let us recognize that breathing is not just a physical process. It is a gateway to a richer understanding of life and our role in the universe. Join us as we delve into the profound significance of breath and prana in shaping our existence. Breath is not merely a mechanical function, it is the vehicle for prana, a vital life force that permeates every living being. In the philosophy of yoga and many other spiritual traditions, prana is understood as the fundamental energy that sustains life. Derived from the Sanskrit word for life force or vital breath, prana is more than just oxygen. It is the energy that flows through our bodies, nurturing our physical and mental health. The concept of prana is not unique to Indian philosophy. Similar notions exist worldwide, reflecting a universal recognition of a vital energy that sustains life. In Chinese culture, this energy is known as qi, a central element in traditional Chinese medicine, which emphasizes the balance of qi for health and well-being. Similarly, the Japanese tradition refers to it as kai, while in Polynesian cultures, it is known as mana. These concepts, though varied in name and cultural context, share a common understanding. Life is sustained by an invisible, yet palpable force that can be cultivated and directed. Prana, qi, ki, and mana all describe an intrinsic force that animates life and connects us to the universe. This force is not just theoretical, it has practical implications for our daily lives. When we have abundant prana, we feel vibrant, healthy, and mentally clear. Conversely, when prana is low or stagnant, we may experience fatigue, illness, or emotional distress. Thus, maintaining a healthy flow of prana is crucial for overall well-being. But how do we cultivate and enhance this vital energy? The answer lies in our everyday choices and practices. Prana is absorbed from the environment around us, through the air we breathe, the food we eat, the water we drink, and even the sunlight we receive. By making conscious choices to consume clean, natural foods and pure water, we enhance our intake of prana. Similarly, spending time in nature and basking in sunlight can boost our prana levels, as these elements are rich sources of life energy. Moreover, the way we breathe directly influences our prana. Proper breathing techniques, such as those practiced in pranayama, help to regulate and increase the flow of prana within our bodies. These techniques can also clear blockages in our energy pathways, known as nadis, ensuring a free and balanced flow of energy. This is not just about breathing deeply, it is about breathing consciously and intentionally, engaging with each breath as a means to harness and direct this vital force. Prana, as the life-sustaining energy, is all around us, permeating every aspect of our environment. The quality and quantity of prana we absorb significantly influence our physical, mental, and spiritual health. This vital force enters our body through various channels, primarily the air we breathe, the food we consume, the water we drink, and even the sunlight that touches our skin. By understanding and optimizing these sources, we can enhance the flow of prana within us, leading to greater vitality and well-being. Air is perhaps the most direct and immediate source of prana. With each breath, we draw in not only oxygen, but also this subtle life energy. The quality of the air we breathe can greatly affect our prana levels. Hence, spending time in clean, natural environments, such as forests, mountains, or by the sea, can significantly increase our intake of prana. These environments are rich in this vital energy, often felt as a sense of rejuvenation or heightened clarity when we breathe deeply in these settings. Food and water are other crucial sources of prana. The nutrients in fresh, natural foods, especially those that are raw, organic, and unprocessed, carry a high pranic value. Consuming such foods not only nourishes the body but also infuses it with life energy, supporting both physical health and mental clarity. To truly appreciate the impact of breathing on our health and well-being, it's essential to understand the anatomy and physiology behind it, particularly the role of the diaphragm. The diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle located at the base of the lungs, separating the thoracic cavity from the abdominal cavity. It plays a crucial role in the breathing process, influencing how air is drawn into the lungs and how it is expelled. When we inhale, the diaphragm contracts and moves downward, creating a vacuum that allows the lungs to expand and fill with air. This movement increases the volume of the thoracic cavity and reduces the pressure within the lungs, causing air to flow in. Conversely, during exhalation, the diaphragm relaxes and moves upward, compressing the lungs and pushing the air out. This rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the diaphragm are fundamental to effective breathing, impacting not only the respiratory system, but also the function of other organs. Diaphragmatic breathing, often referred to as abdominal breathing, involves fully engaging the diaphragm. This technique allows for deeper breaths compared to the more shallow chest breathing that many people commonly use. Chest breathing primarily engages the upper chest and neck muscles and can lead to inefficient oxygen exchange, increased tension, and even anxiety. In contrast, diaphragmatic breathing encourages full oxygen exchange, that is, the beneficial trade of incoming oxygen for outgoing carbon dioxide. It also promotes relaxation by stimulating the body's parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for the rest and digest functions. Practicing diaphragmatic breathing can have numerous benefits, both physically and mentally. Physically, it helps improve oxygenation, supports cardiovascular health, and enhances lung capacity. It also massages the internal organs, aiding in digestion and improving circulation. Mentally, this type of breathing can reduce stress, lower heart rate and blood pressure, and improve overall mood and mental clarity. This makes diaphragmatic breathing not just a technique for better health, but a powerful tool for enhancing mental and emotional well-being. In yogic traditions, diaphragmatic breathing is considered essential for the proper flow of prana throughout the body. This practice helps in clearing energy blockages and ensuring that this vital life force reaches every cell and organ. As we deepen our breath, we deepen our connection to life itself, fostering a sense of inner calm and heightened awareness. Central to the practice of pranayama and the broader philosophy of yoga is the concept of nadis, the channels through which prana flows within our bodies. Nadis are akin to a network of energy pathways, much like veins and arteries in the circulatory system, but they carry prana instead of blood. According to yogic teachings, there are approximately 72,000 nadis in the human body, though only a few are considered primary and of utmost importance for spiritual practices. Among these, 3 nadis are of particular significance: Ida, Pingala, and Sushumna. Ida nadi is associated with lunar energy, representing the cooling, calming aspects of our nature. It is traditionally considered to be linked to the left side of the body and the left nostril. Pingala nadi, in contrast, is connected with solar energy, embodying warmth, vitality, and activity. It corresponds to the right side of the body and the right nostril. Sushumna nadi, the central channel, runs along the spinal column and is the most crucial in the context of spiritual awakening and Kundalini energy. The interplay between Ida and Pingala is often compared to the yin and yang of Eastern philosophies, representing dualities such as cold and hot, passive and active, or introverted and extroverted. The balance of these energies is essential for physical health and emotional well-being. When these nadis are in harmony, prana flows smoothly, supporting balanced mental and emotional states. However, when there is an imbalance, where one nadi dominates over the other, this can lead to physical ailments, emotional disturbances, or mental stress. Sushumna nadi, the central channel, is pivotal in yogic practices, particularly those aimed at awakening the Kundalini energy. This energy, often symbolized as a coiled serpent at the base of the spine, is said to rise through Sushumna when one attains a state of deep meditation and spiritual insight. The ascent of Kundalini through the Sushumna nadi is associated with the activation of the chakras, the energy centers in the body, leading to heightened states of consciousness and spiritual enlightenment. Pranayama, the practice of breath control, is a fundamental aspect of yoga that serves to regulate the flow of prana within the body. The word pranayama is derived from 2 Sanskrit words: prana, meaning life force or vital energy, and ayama, meaning extension or control. Through pranayama, we not only enhance our intake of oxygen, but also manage the subtle energies that influence our physical, mental, and spiritual states. One of the most accessible and widely practiced forms of pranayama is nadi shodhana, or alternate nostril breathing. This technique is specifically designed to balance the energies of the Ida and Pingala nadis, promoting a harmonious flow of prana throughout the body. The practice involves alternating the breath between the left and right nostrils, typically starting by inhaling through one nostril while keeping the other closed, then exhaling through the opposite nostril. This cycle is repeated in a rhythmic pattern, which helps to calm the mind, reduce stress, and prepare the practitioner for meditation. Nadi Shodhana is particularly effective for clearing energy blockages and balancing the body's energetic channels. It is often used as a preparatory practice for deeper meditation, as it helps to still the mind and focus the awareness. By balancing the dual energies of Ida and Pingala, Nadi Shodhana fosters a state of inner equilibrium, where both hemispheres of the brain are synchronized. This balance is crucial for achieving a state of higher consciousness and spiritual insight, as it prepares the Sushumna nadi, the central channel, for the ascent of Kundalini energy. Integrating pranayama into your daily routine can transform your life by enhancing physical health, mental clarity, and spiritual awareness. These practices are not merely exercises, but tools for cultivating a deeper connection with your inner self and the world around you. The beauty of pranayama is its simplicity and accessibility, making it suitable for people of all ages and fitness levels. To begin incorporating pranayama into your daily life, start with simple techniques like Nadi Shodhana. This practice can be done anywhere and requires no special equipment. Find a quiet space where you can sit comfortably, either cross-legged on the floor or in a chair with your feet flat on the ground. Close your eyes, relax your shoulders, and take a few deep breaths to settle your mind. Using your right hand, gently close your right nostril with your thumb and inhale deeply through the left nostril. Then close the left nostril with your ring finger and exhale through the right nostril. Continue this pattern, alternating nostrils with each breath. This technique helps to calm the mind, balance the nervous system, and prepare you for meditation or any mental task. For those seeking to energize the body and mind, Kapalabhati Pranayama can be an excellent addition to your morning routine. This technique involves quick, forceful exhalations, followed by passive inhalations. To practice Kapalabhati, sit comfortably and place your hands on your knees. Take a deep breath in, then exhale forcefully through your nose, pulling your navel towards your spine. Allow the inhalation to happen passively. Repeat this process at a rapid pace, focusing on the exhalation. Kapalabhati helps to cleanse the lungs, increase oxygen supply, and stimulate the digestive organs, making it a powerful practice for invigorating the body and mind. For stress relief and relaxation, Ujjayi breathing can be particularly beneficial. This technique, often used during yoga asanas, involves slightly constricting the back of the throat to create a soft, oceanic sound as you breathe in and out. To practice Ujjayi, sit comfortably and breathe deeply through your nose, feeling the air pass through your throat. Constrict your throat slightly on both the inhalation and exhalation, creating a gentle, hissing sound. Ujjayi helps to calm the nervous system, reduce stress, and improve concentration, making it an ideal practice for moments of tension or anxiety. To fully reap the benefits of pranayama, consistency is key. Incorporate these practices into your daily routine, starting with just a few minutes each day and gradually increasing the duration as you become more comfortable. Early mornings are an excellent time to practice pranayama, as the mind is still fresh and the environment is generally quiet. However, pranayama can be practiced at any time of day, depending on your schedule and needs. As you integrate pranayama into your life, you will likely notice improvements in your physical health, such as better lung capacity, improved digestion, and increased energy levels. Mentally, you may experience enhanced focus, reduced anxiety, and a greater sense of calm. Spiritually, pranayama can help deepen your meditation practice and foster a stronger connection to your inner self and the universe. As we draw our exploration to a close, it's clear that the practice of pranayama offers profound benefits that extend beyond the physical body. The breath, often overlooked in its simplicity, holds the key to unlocking deeper levels of health, consciousness, and spiritual awareness. By harnessing the power of breath, we not only enhance our physical well-being, but also cultivate a calm and focused mind, creating a foundation for a more balanced and harmonious life. For those beginning this journey, it's important to remember that consistency and patience are key. Start with simple practices, gradually building your comfort and familiarity with more advanced techniques. Allow yourself to explore and experience the effects of pranayama without judgment or expectation. Each breath is an opportunity to reconnect with your inner self, to center your mind, and to nurture your spirit. In closing, we invite you to take a moment to breathe deeply, to reflect on the simplicity and power of this fundamental act, and to commit to incorporating pranayama into your daily routine. The journey of breath is one of the most profound paths to well-being and spiritual awakening. We hope that this exploration has inspired you to embrace the practice of pranayama and to discover the transformative power of breath in your own life. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the heart of pranayama. May your practice bring you peace, health, and a deeper connection to your true self. Remember, the breath is always with you, a constant guide and companion on the path to a more conscious and fulfilling life. See you in the next video.